I tell our superintendents here in Wisconsin, throughout most of the season, there has to be something in that mix that controls dollar spot.
We've had some pretty good disease pressure. We're doing a location here, study here at Pine Brook as well as Brayburn. And between the two courses, we're seeing some pretty good dollar spot development.
Tested Secure on ultra-dwarf Bermuda grass for leaf spot caused by Bipolaris synodontis, but it is somewhat of a complex with other Bipolaris species.
In Virginia, where I'm located, we have a combination of both warm season and cool season grasses. By far, our biggest issue is spring dead spots of Bermuda grass.
The new fungicides that we're looking at, which are Secure Action and Posterity, have performed quite well. We're really seeing very good disease control, dollar spot control in both of those treatments when we're applying them by themselves.
I think for dollar spot management with Posterity and Secure Action, I think the key benefits is that they're both highly effective products. Obviously Secure, multi-site contact mode of action, excellent for resistance management.
We see that the Secure Action plots are providing acceptable disease control on a 21-day interval throughout the entire course of the season under extremely high dollar spot pressure.
Currently we have a trial with Secure and Secure Action under very high disease pressure, and we are seeing a reduction or better control with Secure Action than the Secure alone.
Posterity, a slightly different type of SDHI that'll provide a couple of real benefits over some other products that are currently on the marketplace. One, it's a slightly different type of SDHI. So even though it's within the SDHI class of chemistries, it is slightly different. So it's something that the dollar spot pathogen hasn't quite seen. So we'll see a little bit of a different level of control. It's also got a very low use rate.
About Posterity is it's a fungicide that can provide 21 and even up to 28 days control. It has a fairly low application usage rate, so you don't need to use a lot of the product to get good control. And it's a liquid formulation, which is easy to use. But first and foremost, the dollar spot control that we're getting with that particular fungicide has been outstanding.
A lot of golf course superintendents and sports turf managers are growing Bermuda grass in the transition zone. We've looked at Posterity in several of our trials. It's been very effective at suppressing spring dead spot. In fact, in many cases, more so than some of the other standards that we're used to.
And they're both effective products, and they'll be very effective additions to the superintendent's toolbox.